The Diversity Visa Lottery, also known as the DV Lottery or Green Card Lottery, is a program that offers a limited number of visas to individuals from countries with low immigration rates to the United States. The program aims to diversify the U.S. immigrant population. For the year 2026, here is a step-by-step guide to applying for the lottery. To be eligible to apply for the Diversity Visa Lottery, you must meet the following criteria. Country of eligibility. You must be a native of a country that is eligible for the DV Lottery. The list of eligible countries can change each year. Check the official U.S. Department of State website for the current list. Education work experience. You must have at least a high school diploma or its equivalent, or you must have at least 2 years of work experience in an occupation that requires at least 2 years of training or experience. The DV Lottery application period typically opens in early October and closes in early November each year. For 2026, the exact dates will be announced by the U.S. Department of State. Be sure to check the official DV Lottery page for the most accurate and up-to-date information. 4. How to apply. Complete the online application form. Visit the Electronic Diversity Visa or EDV website. Fill out the DV Lottery entry form, known as Form DS 5501, online. Be accurate and complete in providing your personal details, including your name, date of birth, country of birth, and educational or work background. Submit a digital photograph. You will need to upload a recent digital photograph of yourself and any eligible family members. The photo must meet specific requirements outlined on the EDV website, including dimensions and format. Verify and submit your application. Carefully review your application to ensure all information is correct. Once verified, submit the application electronically. Confirmation receipt. After submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Save this number as it will be needed to check the status of your application. 5. After submission. Check your status. Results for the DV Lottery are usually announced in the spring of the following year. Use your confirmation number to check the status of your entry on the DV Lottery Status Check website. If you are selected, you will be required to complete further steps, including submitting additional documentation and attending an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Follow the instructions provided to proceed with your visa application. If you are not selected, you may apply again in the next lottery cycle if you remain eligible. 6. Important tips. Beware of scams. The DV Lottery application is free. Be cautious of websites or individuals charging fees to submit your application. Follow instructions. Ensure that all information provided is accurate and follows the guidelines provided by the U.S. Department of State. Keep records. Retain a copy of your confirmation number and any correspondence related to your application. 7. Contact information. For any questions or additional information, contact the U.S. Department of State or the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. You can also find information and support on the official DV Lottery website.